Hey, Phil from Got Memories here. I'm gonna wear you around my neck. I'm gonna show you some stuff here that's quite shocking. Also, it's a multi-purpose video. I'm gonna clean video heads on these camcorders, but I'm gonna do a little test here. This is a customer, and I've yet to get through this job here, but Legacybox, you send them all your stuff, 6 months later, you get them all trashed back, just looking like this, inside of a box with these stickers on them, and they say, your analog media arrived with one of the following: mold, broken tape housing, environmental damage, water, heat, etc. So unfortunately, we're unable to transfer it. Okay, so this is what they're doing. Is they're slapping stickers on things, keeping people's money. And the reason, well, either they're not getting the picture or they're just scamming. So you make your mind up there. So I have a tape here from that job. And I'm going to show you. So this is tape, it's got the same sticker on it, and these idiots, look, and I did peel this off a little bit, but look, if they put it on top of the sticker. Oops, sorry, not in frame there. I do. So I did peel this off a bit, but look, when you peel it, it takes off the subject, like it goes over whatever people have written there. And if you do work for this company, just point of reference, 1881435 is your customer's number. You can look him up. You kept his money. He tried to fight you through the credit card company and he lost. But anyway, let's do this. So it's a multi-purpose video here. So you hit play, fast forward, you can do that. Okay, let's check it in another camera. Let's see here. This one's got a red, so this one does have a dirty head. Let's see if it works on this one. I haven't tested it in this one, I did in that one. Yeah, fine. So there we go, perfect. Tape plays absolutely fine. So what I'm going to do here, so yeah, all these tapes play perfectly fine. There's no problem with them whatsoever. All right, and that's a constant thing that I see with that company, also known as Southtree and Legacybox Southtree and Kodak Digitizing. They're all the same company. They're all like trying to different price points and brands. Southtree's their budget. God, if there is such a damn thing. Legacybox, that's their more well-known name. And then Kodak Digitizing, they've paid Kodak for the rights to the name and they're throwing it, into the trash. Kind of like what Kodak did with themselves anyway. But anyway, besides the point. So I'm going to take this off here. Come on. All right. Can I get there? Where's my tweezers? That's hardly tweezers. This, there we go. Okay, here's the head. Chamois tip. Huge chamois tip. All right, let's do a little bit of isopropyl, both sides. So you can access it this side, you can access it inside. It's kind of hard to get to, but peel that back there. And just slowly turn it. Give it a little. There's the head there. Right, so let's do this. There's a couple of different ways around this. I give them that a little go there. So I'm going to stick my hand in and then turn it. Not ideal. It does the job. It's coming off a little bit. There we go. Starting to see some dirt there. I'm not sure what the hell happened to this camera. I think this is one I got off eBay that was just jacked. Maybe I've Tried to... Maybe this was like a throwaway. I pulled it because it had a battery on it. It's getting there. Oopsie. I know, should have done that. There we go. All right, let's try another one. Because this one here, I've got a feeling that it's jacked. Because the top wouldn't shut. This one's a good one here. Here we go. This one had a new head August of 21, which doesn't tell me much, but red sticker means I've got a problem with it. Let's see what this looks like. Okay. So you let fast forward, let go. If you've got these tapes at home and you hit fast forward and you can see the picture and then it disappears, it means you've got a worn out or a dirty head. All right, so we're gonna stop that. Take the tape out. And then, let's do this. Disconnect so I don't short it. It is 10:30 at night. Boom. So every time I get to do maintenance really on stuff is late at night. Okay, got the sticker on it, let's get that off. All right, put the battery back on. Come on. All right. Chamois tip. Okay. Put some pressure on there. Yep, you can see the dirt. These little holes are the heads, or head. There's 1, 2 right there. Okay, let's give it a whirl. Let it dry. It was cleaned. Yeah, it was quite a while ago it was cleaned. Oh, give it a sec. Balls. Could be because the head's still hasn't dried. Let's grab another one of these lovely tapes. Here we go. There's another one saying due to blah, 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 blah. This one isn't rewound, so I don't know whether it's at the end of the tape or it's blank. Oh, hello. Perfect. Fixed. There we go. Done. All right. So, you know, a few different ways to get your fingers around all this stuff internally. But it's does the job. Let's just pick another one. This one's rewound. Let's see what this one is. Again, these are all tapes that were not transferred. You can see the labels. I've given the customer number over, so anyone watching this from the company, you look up that number and you see who transferred this job. Absolutely perfectly fine. There's Al Gore, blah, blah, blah. Let's try another one. And I'm going to be doing a video with this guy whose job it is. He's got quite the story. This one here. Yeah, so anyone from Legacybox, look up 1881435. You'll see the customer. You'll see the story. Maybe you've still got that employee that slapped all these stickers on there and said they're no good when they're absolutely fine. Yep, fine. If this was an isolated incident, you know, shit happens, you know, employees, but this is systemic. This is what I see again and again. I hear again and again and again and again. And so this is not accident. This is major problem. So anyway, so there we go. Just cleaned ahead there while demonstrating Lazybox, Shitbox, whatever you want to call them. Dave Ramsey, if you're watching this, stop promoting him for the love of God. I know they're all from Tennessee, as you are, but that's got absolutely nothing to do with their ethics. I seem to be one of quite a few people now that are on YouTube and beyond, starting to create a voice about people getting shafted by these companies. And it's all because their equipment's dying. They're more focused on profit and marketing because they are amazing at marketing. If only they were as amazing at transfers as they were as marketing, and they'd have an amazing company. But they don't. And per your employees that text me, I hear it all. All the drama, all the problems. I haven't even delved into that. Which I keep copies of all of the texts, all the emails that former and current employees send to me, just in case. There we go. Oh, that's a bit dodgy there. I need to fix that. Anyway, that one has now got a green sticker. I'm just going to put a little notation on it. CH cleaned head. What day are we today? 10, 27, 23. I do have other stickers for this, but right now I'm tired. All right, so that's good to go. Back out on the floor. That one, not so much. Let's put this piece of crap back on the shelf. Anyway, that's me. I am calling it a day. I'm done. If you want to get a quote, gotmemories.com. I'm always saying the same crap at the end of my videos. Look at all my other videos. There's hundreds of them. Like, subscribe. If I look like shit, it's because, yeah, I am tired and I've had a hell of a week. Anyway, all the best to you guys out there. If you want to get a quote for me to do stuff, do not fill the quote form out if you're looking to, you know, match these prices of these companies. I'm very expensive because I do the work correctly the first time, which takes time, expertise. All this stuff is deteriorating. So you got to know that your stuff is dying. So is the equipment. You need someone that's going to be watching this like a hawk and doing professional work. Okay? With a heart, ethics, head, brain, all that good stuff. Anyway, cheers. Bye.